Lime is the binding mechanism of the fresco, so to speak. It is artificially obtained from the calcination of 95% pure calcium carbonate minerals, which are found in naturally occurring limestone, marble, and shells. Here is how the process works. First, river pebbles should be picked that do not contain either clay, magnesium, or gypsum, for these substances may impair the setting qualities of the plaster or cause efflorescence. River pebbles, rocks made of CaCO3, calcium carbonate, lose CO2, carbon dioxide, when cooked in a special oven at 900–1000 Celsius degrees. Also, this makes them lose weight and become highly caustic CaO, calcium oxide, also called quicklime or caustic lime or hot lime. The lime thus made cannot be used for any painting purpose due to its high causticity. That is why it was common in ancient times to leave it for at least 6 months in water before being used. More precisely, the ancient Romans wait for 3 years before using it. When properly aged, the compound obtained is a CaOH2, calcium hydroxide, commonly called slaked lime or lime hydroxide. It takes on a plastic putty consistency that makes excellent mortar. This compound is employed both for construction purposes and as a binder for fresco painting. It may be purchased from building supplies dealers. Usually, it is kept in buckets, well sealed and covered with a layer of water. It is also sold in powder form, which is then mixed with water, and depending on the provenance of the stone, it can have different shades. Depending on the percentages of clay in the initial stone, the lime may have hydraulic properties. This type of lime is excellent for the construction, but not for the fresco technique. The addition of water to lime in different proportions either makes the lime milk or lime wash. Lime milk is as liquid as water, yet its color is white because it is rich in lime. When lime milk is applied on surface, it is transparent, but once the water evaporates, it becomes an intense white. For centuries, artists have used lime milk for wall decorations, as for graffito, or as a binder for wall colors and as an alternative to true fresco. This was particularly common in Baroque period. Lime wash, instead, is made by stirring thinned lime milk and letting it rest. The clear water that remains on the surface is excellent for fresco painting. When slaked lime is obtained, it is combined with an inert material, so as to make mortar. When plaster is spread on the wall, it starts to set as water evaporates. It can then receive coats of colors that have only been diluted with water. During the draining process, lime that has absorbed carbon dioxide from the air will return to its original form, that is calcium carbonate. As lime absorbs carbon dioxide, it forms a porous mass of calcium carbonate crystals on its surface. This is called lime crust. It holds the pigments of the fresco painting in the surface of the wall. The whole process is called carbonation.